India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Goa Headmasters Association has decided to hold the second state level residential conference for secondary school heads in the state of Goa. This conference will be held on 4th and 5th August at St. Joseph was the Development Center. Honorable CM will inaugurate it on the 4th at 10 a.m. We are aware that we are on the verge of implementing national education policy, and so all the school heads should know what are the challenges that will be or what are the changes that will come, and so more of a discussion on the NEP will take place in this conference. So on the first session we have what are the adaptations that are required to welcome NEP. That is one session we have. And then another session we have on the school complexes or nurturing the professional communities is there, and then after that we have complexes. Complexes we will be having a panel discussion, because now NEP says that we should not work in isolation. There should be a sharing of resources between the schools. So whatever suggestions we had with respect to implementation, we have already given to the government as a part of the task force committee. It's a very good thing, because the 9 to 12 stage they have clubbed together, and they have given the subject choices to students. It is very good, because from after 8th, the students can think of his future.